For both value of k, the linear system has no solution. So we have this linear system of equation. In order to make this system of linear equation inconsistent, we have to make the terms, for example, x as a multiple of 4x. So those terms of one linear equation to make as a multiple of a linear equation of the other, or the same. But here is impossible to make the same, so we are trying to make as a multiples. So first of all, we are looking here to make this as a multiple of 5. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to multiply the whole system by 5. If I multiply by 5, it's going to become 5 times kx is a 5kx. 5 times minus 3 is a minus 15y. And 5 times 4 is a 20. And let me rewrite the second linear equation in the form how it is. 4x minus 5y is equal to 7. As we see, the second term here is a multiple of each other by the scaling factor 3. The same thing, I'm going to make this a 5k to make as a scaling factor, as a multiple with scaling factor 3 with the first term, with the 4 here. And to make this one as a multiple, I'm going here to multiply this one by 3. So it's going to be 4 times 3 with the scaling factor 3k. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to divide by 5 whole equation. If I divide by 5 whole equation, k is going to be equal with 4 times 3 is 12 divided by 5. And now to make sure this 12 divided by 5 is the right value that make the system inconsistent, let's try and solve this example. So instead of the k, we are plugging in 12 divided by 5. And now here is a x minus 3y is equal with 4. And the other is 4x minus 5y is equal with 7. So let's multiply first equation by 5 everything. If we are multiplying by 5 everything, times 5 here, 5 with the 5 goes, times 5, times 5. What we gonna get? We are going to get this way. It remains adjusted 5 with the 5 simplifies, remains just 12x. 12x and minus 3y. 5 times 3 is a 15, I'm sorry, here is a 15. And is equal 5 times 4 is a 20. And the second equation is a 4x minus 5y, here is a y, and is equal with 7. What I'm going to do here I'm going to multiply everything by 3. But let me rewrite the first equation in the form how it is. So the first equation is a 12x minus a 15y is equal with 20. And second equation, 4 times 3 is but instead of the 3, just let's multiply with the minus 3. So I want to take one step less. Minus 3 times 4x is a minus 12x. Minus 3 times minus 5 is a plus 15y. This is equal. Minus 3 times 7 is minus 21. And now what we can do here? We can cancel 12x minus 12x. Minus 15y minus plus 15y. What's going to happen here? Here is going to remain 0. And the other side is a 20. Minus 21 is a minus 1. So this is a false. It means the system of linear equation doesn't have solution. So the right value for the k is the value of 12 divided by 5. One of the values.